In this video, we'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget to your Cash App account. The only way to transfer crypto from here to your Cash App is transfer Bitcoin, because Cash App only supports the Bitcoin. If you have not activated Bitcoin function on your Cash App, first of all, you need to activate it. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App account and then click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Right here, when you scroll a little bit down, you will see the Bitcoin. If you have not activated Bitcoin yet on your Cash App account, you need to click on Start and activate the Bitcoin wallet address on your Cash App account. Once you will activate the Bitcoin wallet, you will see the Bitcoin icon in the bottom menu, or you can just click the bank icon again and right here click on the Bitcoin. When you go to your Bitcoin page on Cash App, you will see the Bitcoin balance in the top. Under the balance, you will see buy, sell, and this arrow button. And under these buttons, there will be view Bitcoin address button. You need to click on view Bitcoin address and you will see your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. You need to copy the wallet address from your Cash App account and then you can start sending the Bitcoin from Bitget to Cash App. So first of all, you need to log into your Bitget account. Then you need to click the wallet in the top right corner and go to the spot account. Right here, you need to find the Bitcoin. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar, type BTC in the search and find your Bitcoin wallet. Across your Bitcoin, you will see the withdraw button. You need to click on it. Then you need to select the BTC network. And in the withdrawal address, you need to enter the Cash App Bitcoin wallet address you just copied. Then click on Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, finalize the transaction, and in a few minutes you can check your balance on your Cash App account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.